What? What are you doing? Yeah, I know, I smell like her. No, don't hiss me. Wow. Come on. No. No. Hey. Are you meowing or yawning? She's a mean cat for now. Okay? Don't get close to her. She will attack you. Okay? Hey. Hey. Whoa. You too? You were so calm. And you. Hey. Hey. Stop. Be calm. I think I should move her somewhere else. But how? They both angry at her. Or him, sorry. He's a male. That's why they are angry. Come here. Look at her. Come on. Not you guys. Come on, only you. We should move her away from that place. Come here. Come here. Hey. Come here. Don't be so sad. They're all following me. Of course they're gonna follow me. I called them. Move along, man. Move along. Look at her. She's really upset. I'm just gonna grab some food and move for with that. If I call every one of them will follow me. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. They're not coming. Come here. Yeah. I think we made it. Come here. Come here. Come on. Let's move it away. You eat there. Don't like it? Okay, let's give you some pet food. You have to wait. They are gone. Are you calm now? Eat some food.